This is Sheri with ViREO Life, author of Go Forward, 28 Days to Eat, Move, and Enjoy Life God's Way. And I have a very important message for you today. This is a shift that you absolutely have to make. This is not one of those, oh, well, maybe I'll try it, maybe I won't try it. You know, I'll be able to make healthy habits even if I don't do this. No, you won't. That is that critical. It is that foundational. And the shift is not in like, okay, how many vegetable servings should you eat? The shift is not in how long should you exercise? Should you do cardio kickboxing, or should you do walking and hiking, or should you do ocean sports or whatever? That doesn't matter. I mean, you have to find what you like, so it does matter. But as far as the shift that you need to make, the first critical shift is a quote from my coach, John Michael Morgan, and that is your first priority is to take care of yourself. He said that at a conference I was at 2 weeks ago. He was a speaker. In fact, it was his conference pulling everybody together, but that's a side note. But in this conference, he was speaking, and one of the first things he said was that your first priority is to take care of yourself. And of course, immediately my mind went to you all of your first priority is to take care of yourself. And I started thinking about stories of clients I have had over the years. Immediately, one couple popped into mind that it was a husband and wife who had an ailing parent in a nursing home. It was not an emergent situation. There was nothing that they needed to do on a daily basis. But the wife felt guilt if after work she came by the fitness center where I was working at Vanderbilt Medical Center to get her workout in. The husband logically knew and emotionally it resonated with him that the only way I'm going to have energy short-term and long-term and health short-term and long-term to take care of this ailing parent is if I go by after work, take care of myself, and then go visit. There wasn't a concept of the parent being neglected. It was just which priority came first. I'm not asking you to go for win-lose where it's all about you and nothing about other people. And it's not just that it's your first priority is to take care of you, but your only priority is to take care of you. No, I'm not saying that, but your first priority is to take care of you. I was talking with a friend about some scriptures along this line, and we were talking about one in particular where it says, look out not only for your own interest, but also for the interest of others. And he said, see, it's telling me right there, I'm not supposed to be selfish. I'm supposed to look out for the interest of others. I said, oh, no. What does the first part of that verse say? Look out not only for your own interest. Don't look out for your own interest. Not only, and in fact, that verse, it's a both and. It's a presupposing that you were taking care of your own interests. So it's about win. Look out for your interest as well as the interest of others. So your first priority is take care of you. That is my challenge to you. What are some ways that you can take care of yourself? Put those in the comments. How are you going to make yourself your first priority? Taking care of you, your first priority. Thanks so much for watching. Look forward to seeing you next time. And until next time, find your path and fulfill your potential.